Oja ene eye Thursday enti ende no ye kono sedia ese esifa ekono ye kan sedia tie ye nyi bi mfrimo ene ye mfa bi nka fire for fire. This is the show live ewo Adum TV so ena woni eguso a wo hwe no ya na wako YouTube bo modern se obeko YouTube na watime akọ like your page no Adum TV live on YouTube enti ene eye 20th August Oti ase wa oti enka radio so no aye Asempa 94.7 FM and afi Asida 105.9 e was secondary takrade Sort FM e wo eye Konongo ene ne hye so enti ene no ye be ka ne sedia esifatie se unim se ene eye exactly 25 years a Ghana ye ko win FIFA under 17 World Cup eye second time after beating Brazil, almighty Brazil. And ye kwachi wom epo wom ekamiensa wom timu mienu ewo Ecuador ene market exactly 25 years na se Ghana football no ayeye penyo enye se football no ye ka se gua na gua ne sa football no ayeye pen akona nim pen enti se efe no say wom be man technical director obetimi aboa ama football na akona nim a eso mu se football no enkofo ehia tried and tested technical director. Ye hear Bia, one no be who say Abakosema Honie, Monsieur Ne exactly 25 years. I kwaji under 17 World Cup. And you see, and ye bida. Eti Ghana football no, see, I say no more year, you bet me a kuyanim, I'm a football no, I a crabeshe. Commentary position. Over fire, said a medical, Shasiano, ye kukumase, na Patrick Ose Ajiman. Countryman songo obe fire Kumase na fe ye wi a wonso do de beba homa so ye o telephone no ready o ba no fire in a professional way o ti ase adagire eni ho enti enko Kumase na Patrick Osei Ajiman Countryman songo wono enfire ento aso medin e de Cobblestone okoman kra ba ko amaka ensoroja adura enyo fire ma otiminka me enfire Kumase senate Kumasi ende. More fire.
More fire. Yeah. Patrick Osajman, Sanya Okano.
Yeah.
But was a king of afternoon.
Yeah.
Orija or Sija.
Yes.
Ijebra.
Yes.
Fire for fire.
Orija.
One fireman.
Orija Sija. Enumja.
Tija maybe be a
More fire.
Yeah. More fire.
More fire.
No time for any imbecility. Babylon system is a vampire. More fire. King of afternoon. More fire. TV sports show host, the whole Ghana. TV sports show host, more than 2 times, more than 3. And still the champ. And me need time for any imbecility. I'm the fireman. A good year, Miss America. Oh, fire, I'm small fire now. You Jana, she will bed over. You can't say the city. And I will say 25 years in it. And Yaji a second under 17 world trophy. And then Ghana, yes. In the bomb. Football, no. Ya hubita. Ya shebida. Ya bobi kurada. It is a can footballer. You name me air fire. Professional. More fire. That time me was star. Me any star. Me any direction at the bubble. And I see any formation Ghana ye ball, ye style ye ball. Ghana ye betchon, you players on betchon. Gutter to gutter ye ball. Who school I ball gutter to gutter. Who be a person of train expressing that time na near number 2, number 3, near number 7, number 11. Now ye person will be your left in Kuana, a ball 11 ho will be your right. No, so 7 ho na process ne basa. na Kwame Ayu mo Anthony ye bo mo pem sa de omuti ayemfo mo pem sa poli it that time down na ye was star ye wo kwan fa so boy bo and so kon football people mo gu no ma say no business nko a omo ko se sa Serbia for ne sa wo mo agency sikadie basa the taxpayers money are paying blasters omo kota mo mobile kulumu yimu no omo antwero mu say o style they should build upon it all think omo build up ya wo paying phobia a bar say football a business sikadie basa omo fa respect amomo omo no obudi komo sa ni so kwa the late Samadi Iben Kofi Afrani Atuko Efio Omu na dia show you rest in peace Omu onim dia but a basa football Omu ni sika dia pasa because yes football is business yes sika e football ye discan in football no Omu amfa efie nyansa common sense ye mpayim for no money mu football ni mu no Amoma advice him of no mkofo mo ba so mo be coach ye agency for we player ya cause it's Scandinavia coaches near the yesika di basa any nenti a Ghana ye football ye star I say what I say ye style of football no I say and Ghana selling PC boy football and na maka Georgia Tamo ye process Georgia Tamo ye crosses. Ewo wings. What I say, I be the pale mujin and fifi. Just say, yeah, Ghana no, you will play some matching. Malam, I am hard. Ewo fifi those times. Who say blasters, Baba? Oh, let's go to Senegal 92. Who say Senegal 92? Who say Ghana ball in ye style in ye? That time no, Afrani qualified team now. Oma ko photo face taba se bruni emedi anim Afranika onim ne eko nti that time no wu se Ghana sister abedi mufi abrochire bakrana wu se Ghana ye wo game party bi oh ye ni bobo until ye fair the Brazilians of Africa no ye be twon ye the ball no be call wins ye be pull out no ye wo memo betimi akobiem ye wo memo betimi I strike it and easy. Oh, na game ye pe ball, Ghana ye pe ball. See ye sports dey in everybody na can ball more. What I say? Ye pe ball. But me say so-called football people, womo dey call normalization because of Sikadie Basa. Ye banning womo free football mu. E banning referees because bribe. She bribe my referees. Eti Ghana League a Basa. Ghana League ga kotoko ne has. Kotoko Africa Club Championship and the Champions League ni Confederations Cup Saje Champions League Kotoko aje that time you go Africa utim say Ghana ye chire bibi ye bo African Cup and say ye bo Club Championship Ghana ye chire bibi ye game party ye style ye bo tinam si school time no Ubon say, "Is a gota to gota no." Oh, yes. But football, omudi esika die basa. Yanko fa coaches, yanko fa formula. No mume fly ni afanye the taxpayers money ni no. And into no man find the man pay for no betimi. I dey abua as sustain the formation. Now we say no mzi o ti akinte. Any woman chile so mum peno onu su kuta experience ni nyina wo mum peno o mu so a wo mu enye den emma onu kra nhwe nipa anase nkofo mu pa adwuma no na mpo onu odi akutin wom because experience oti akintin wono onu odi akutin wom pa na o matimi ama ye technical director o se sai nipa ko ni ehu Ghana football ansa no no so di ni nim di ema Onimajuma no we competent, whoever that person is. because any if no work at to go on watch say foreign and pay. That is what they are saying. If only that is true, that is what do one be a kind of cat in your no Bruni coach, when no Bruni coach, Chinchina or comfort technical director, way Bruni. But Omutu my shortlisted. Omutu, my shortlisted. And before no fool, Yahumo, and as a chief said, near home in our home. What I say as technical directors. But Womu in Nipa or ye, or better my year, Jumano. Obehu Ghana ya bakwasam ya style of play no ono so di nim dia ba beka ho akyere ama tesone nipa obey coach other apart from technical director no national teams no there will be a coach ono be hwe say coaching teams no enya style of play no come it you need a technical director or ye listener wonim adwuma no utase obeto wo ye adwuma no nye sikadie enye so wakofa expertise biaba wadamfo bi broni biaba wadamfo bi e dey ba be business because taxpayers money dey ba be to ya technical director yeah the taxpayers money yes Ghana taxpayers money whatever proposal must send ko FIFA for e be assistant no e dey ya mo say yentua national team coaches nyina aka including technical director sana e fe ni person mo chen ketokuro ko person o kire o kire aban o menu me taxpayers money yemfantua national team coaches ni nyina aka ye wia technical director so yentua etisi yentua technical director o kwanya ana o kwan se ubeka se enye se chinchina bibini ana se broni but nipa woni madwuma ne ye obetumi ama Ghana ye national teams no yenya game party bia utumi se ya under 17 bo a wo mo bo under a man bo a wo mo bo game party ne koso development ne koso under 23 under 20 development ne koso chese koso e ba o Ghana football ma e be ma blasters ye betimi age cap because your game pattern your formation be a bo your style be a bo as a nation and yenya obi o technical director o ye adwumaden din e de nim de pa bi e de e ka ho na nye obi a obekwa akofa no na wutua dollars na woni ni chess candy enye obi a obekwa akofa no oti abrochire no o chire ne yenye so emwaye ni ye de taxpayers money tuaneka because woni ni ko chedi sikadie pasa enye no bi na GFA ketekurokure momfa mayo momfa obi a chese o ye well cut out for the job or you tried and tested names no must short listen no make sure say you be free and fair I say nipa modern baso Ghana technical director football masanya matramako and yet try and error because the football more kasa so called football people must say no and you perceive it is a technical director a bonus went to me ama with based on merit oni madwuma no obetumi ya dwuma no ama ye football no grassroots ni nkoka blasters ebeka ye local side ye betumi improve omani ye benya style bia ye ba blasters bukwa kwaje world cup another blasters be ball homo de world cup blasters titulu beji african cup masa ene fire wo ben ke to kreku ni GF fo ni nyina it also munti kura no mo appoint the right person for the job a simple system no or say your system of play no technical director no etimi ya dey me hu say o man this is our direction na ye hu say mpuntuo e ba ye football nim more fire Sabroso olive oil my fire yes the kura na maka no Otase nko appoint wa down for bi any nimbe chase can this is Ghana technical director and for Ghana technical director no embe business na mu cheni ye ni mo afifo we mu no kure ba akopɛ technical director understand the system na Ghana wonim ye a obitimi di bibia kan wa me yakoye nim nye broni bia obekwa koda Europe no oji esi kata space man di eni de nke ti yen twoma okura woni wa onkofo ke yen twoma mokura e kan okura kire ho fire burn you masa professional Sabroso olive oil nini fireman no fire no kure no Sabroso olive oil fa no aduane e bo boost immune system no e be clean system no more fire oil papa Sabroso olive oil ena Ghana balm for pain relief my boy nice one Kevin say na na chi ne ya na msi Ghana balm for twitwi odi twitwi ye no tum se eko and wash Ghana balm for pain relief unaye bua you should Ghana balm more fire just odi twitwi pe obesa tie gina Ghana balm more fire fantastic Medofo Classic Boutique I was satellite kuntunsi yanko shopping papa bi odu satellite kuntunsi it's a few meters away from DVL what I say no one so after 0240275835 for your deliveries boutique papa Medofo Classic Boutique more fire bet planet bet more win more is it there buyer is it there PSG it bet more win more bet planet fire for fire more fire Speedmate car batteries car battery papa a Speedmate car battery and then I check and then I know she truck drivers and taxi drivers as usual Okoto car battery papa the Speedmate car battery more fire no time for the facility I don't have that time Bellbot mommy be no fan Jojo Makoma there's no alcohol it's a low sugar plain what I say no alcohol Belmont from Bell beverages more fire baby girls mommy I call them Belmont from Bell beverages more fire ujane shiwa by the obaba ham tame me dulu open no hanu me cameraman here Abdul Latif Awal production here Kevin Owusu and Sir Walker Power Willie more fire omu nyina pe ham tame Jensen me buy no omu se farm ham tame no chese eye ono ire wo girlfriend mo beda ama niji aba because be ma oba strong oba so teminum 6 stars pharmacy was sunyane ubenya bi ham tame Jensen ato and a pharmacy shop bia ham tame Jensen ham tame more fire na my bet dot Africa PSG 2 buyer 1 PSG 3 buyer 2 buyer 3 PSG 2 buyer 2 PSG 1 my bet dot Africa UEFA Champions League is back into my bet home of betting more fire I fear no evil the only fireman and no water can quench of the fire Dan in a good deal with some city no near fire professional can't cook any D animals every president it won in a pound for so yeah appointed technical director near the taxpayers money in the year make sure say appointed to be tried and tested and you will be and you are my downfall. Yes, I don't appoint my enemies, and I say I don't play with my enemies. You play obia based on competence. Yes, I'm be scared the fire, bend them more professional. Fireman, my fire. Etigana obia 3 seconds. Sergio Manicho copy or come out here. Oja, money Ghana phone kasa.
Ja enti aha ene edu ebesie said out say fireman or fire every Kumasi no no Ghana football no ni yie mu no bia epe o cha say enti football people no de omo pe ene obi a technical director or you tried and tested ene obi a keke ene de ne eba o cha say Sergio Manucho